Easyequities is an online investment platform that allows users to buy and sell shares in a variety of financial instruments. Making money on Easyequities involves understanding the stock market, investing wisely, and managing your portfolio effectively. Here's a brief guide. Educate yourself. Learn the basics of investing, understand financial markets, and stay informed about economic trends. Create an account. Sign up for an account on Easyequities. Provide the necessary information and complete the account verification process. Research and analyze. Conduct thorough research on companies or financial instruments you're interested in. Use analytical tools to make informed investment decisions. Diversify your portfolio. Spread your investments across different sectors and industries to reduce risk. Diversification can help protect your portfolio from the impact of a single asset's poor performance. Regularly monitor your investments. Keep track of market trends and your portfolio's performance. Stay informed about news that may affect your investments. Long-term investing. Consider a long-term investment strategy. While short-term trading can be profitable, long-term investing often provides more stable returns. Utilize Easyequities features. Take advantage of any features or tools provided by Easyequities for market analysis and investment management. Risk management. Set realistic financial goals, determine your risk tolerance, and establish stop-loss orders to manage potential losses.